Hey guys, so today we are in our attic. If you look behind me, it's a triangular area.
Yeah.
But yeah, we don't use this pretty much, never. But we do wanna change the space and make it a little bit useful. For now, what I have done is put some string lights in my background, if you see, and I use this area to record videos or click some pictures. But yeah, it's very dirty, it's also very dingy, it's also very warm. So we have our skylight open, I think for the first time ever. So we do want to convert this place into something else. Earlier we were planning to change this into a walk-in closet, but now we shifted our plan to changing this area partially into his study room, because the study room that we have is something that I use. So we wanna put a study table behind me here or there, somewhere there. Yes, and he's gonna use this area, and I wanna convert this place into a studio as well meanwhile, before we use this as a walk-in closet. As you can already see that I'm sweating so much. It's because it's super duper warm. Look at our dog, what is he doing? So he found one of the slippers from here, so I keep all my slippers here, I keep my bags over there, and he picked one of these slippers, and he's biting on it, teething on it. So come with us on this journey of transforming our attic into something useful, like a useful space for both of us,
And a beautiful place,
and a beautiful place to record our videos, and something which is not so warm like it is right now. So yeah, stay tuned on this video to see how the transformation goes.
Yeah.
Bye. So right now what we are doing is assembling the study table, aren't we?
Yep.
One thing good about IKEA is they do send all the tools that you need, but the only problem is there's like so many tools, and you gotta read manuscript like this one, and for a person who has little directional qualities, it's difficult to read, but I'm at least better than him.
So we received some free wooden frames with our garden fence. I used the same to carve out a frame, a small frame for our attic, and painted it dark brown to give a rustic feel.
Hey guys, welcome back. So this is day 2 of making our attic beautiful, and use this as a space for study room and a studio. So today what are we going to do?
So we're gonna make a design, a frame sort of design, and we're gonna cover the area so that we can put some props. And make it beautiful.
Yeah, so
basically hide a few machines.
Indeed. So we have this gigantic water boiler.
It's not gigantic or something like that. It's just normal size.
Normal size
CV
machine.
Kettle,
CV kettle. It's
water heater.
And, water heater basically, which supplies water everywhere, and also warms up the house. So if you look behind us, there is this CV kettle, which we wanna hide. Behind a fake wall. So what he's gonna do is create a fake wall, and what I'm gonna do is use other part of the wall which is already in place, so that I can place some papers which are also my DIY wallpapers. So hopefully this works out. So hopefully by the end of day 2 we are done with the wall at least.
Yep.
Do you think we can do it?
I think so.
Okay, perfect. Let's see.
If you don't take too many breaks, I guess.
Hopefully not. So that's the CV kettle that we were talking about. So there's like quite some garbage. It's not garbage, but we use this as a storage space. So we have some trolley bags, some random chairs. So this is the wall that I wanna place some wallpapers on. These wallpapers are gonna be a little bit my DIY project, and what Feeney's gonna do is hide this whole area with some planks, or I don't know what these called. In Hindi it's balli. So what he's planning to do is place these ballis here, so that there is a wall here, and we can place our couch here later on, put a nice carpet, and yeah, that's about it. So the challenge is that we don't know how it's gonna turn out, because this is our first time ever doing this or attempting this. So let's hope that it does work out, and hopefully we can use the space as a studio or a study room. The study table is already in place. If you see behind me, that's where the study table is, and that's where he's entering from. So yeah, check out how we turn this space into studio. So by the end of day 3, we managed to create a small studio area within our attic. The work isn't complete yet, by the way, so stay tuned for the next part. Bye!